This is the reason why web developers burn out before they actually make it. What does that mean? That means that they are buried in their client work and they're taking clients or whoever will pay them. And to the point where these pain in the ass clients, if you had one of those, you know exactly what I'm talking about, where they would ask for the moon, the sun, the whole 9 yards, and they give you what, pennies for the work that you do, and then you're like, this is crap, man. And then you start to thinking like, this is something not what I had thought about, not what all those gurus told me. They told me that once you learn web development, once you have the skills, then you will have people line up for you and then they will give you money for the money that you want. But you're finding out is that's not the case. Exactly. I was in the same boat where I thought that I will learn this framework if I learn about this particular next library, or if I could learn to code in this language and that language and all that crap. None of that really mattered because the client, only thing they really care about is, can you get me the thing that I want? And if you have worked with at least 5 clients, you know exactly how to code. That's given, right? And then the next step is you just don't want to deal with these pesky clients who are just paying you pennies on a dollar. And you don't want to be in a position, I know for a fact, because once upon a time I was in a position where I felt like web development is horrible. I didn't even I do not want it to look at my computer screen. I hate it with that much until I learned that there's a better way. And that is code it once, have people pay for it every single month. And that is through SaaS. That's it. And I knew how to code just basic when I launched my first SaaS company, which was, you'd be surprised when I tell you this. Basic HTML, CSS, and I use Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, that's right, PHP, MySQL database, and that's it. And that was my first SaaS, and it has been great. And that company still pays me to this particular day. And if you want to learn how you can have the same result where you build the SaaS one time and then people pay you repeatedly, even if you make the update or you don't make the updates. One of the companies that haven't done anything in the last 5 years. So for me, that's a great project. And it's just people are using it. They are using it because they want to use it for what their business, and they're still continuing to pay me. And if you want to learn how to build your first SaaS company in the next 14 days, just click the link somewhere over here and I'll show you how you do that.